In this video, we will compare Tubi versus Plex. Tubi TV versus Plex are both streaming platforms that cater to different user needs and experiences. Tubi TV is a free, ad-supported service that offers a wide range of movies and TV shows, including older films, independent titles, and some current programming. It's easy to use and completely free, making it an excellent option for those looking for casual, no-cost entertainment, though users will experience ads during viewing. Plex, on the other hand, offers a more diverse service, allowing an ad-free experience supported with a broader selection of movies and TV show. Plex's standout feature is the ability to act as a media server. Users can upload their own content to Plex and organise their personal media library, allowing for more control over the content that they want to watch. Plex also offers a premium feature, such as live TV and DVR functionality, for a subscription fee. In summary, Tubi is best for straightforward ad-supported streaming, while Plex is ideal for users who want access to both free content and personal media. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.